Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to introduce the CES award-winning MSI pen. The MSI pen is a light and accurate pen that responds fast, but there's more to it. MSI also built in the Bluetooth remote control function within the pen. Forget about the bulky PowerPoint controller with USB receiver dongle. You can now control your slides on any laptop with the MSI pen. It'll be the only thing you need along your journey. Let's check out what's inside the box. There are two different color options, a grey one and a black one. When you open the box, you'll see the MSI pen secured firmly within the sponge. Here we've got the two pen tips where you can swap for different purposes, and a USB Type-C cable for charging. Also, there is a manual to get you started. The MSI pen supports MPP 2.0 protocol with 4096 pressure levels and built-in Bluetooth 5.1. It weighs only 13.5 grams. It is recommended to use along with MSI Submit Flip laptops. However, it is also compatible with any laptops or tablets that supports MPP 2.0 and Bluetooth. The MSI pen have 3 buttons in total, 2 near the pen tip and 1 Bluetooth button at the other end of the pen. The charger port supports any USB Type-C or PD charger. The LED light above the button indicates the battery status, which we are going to talk about later. The two tips provide different writing feedback. One has a sharper tip while the other has a rounded tip. The tips are included within the box, with one being the round-shaped fiber tip, which is recommended for drawing, and a cone-shaped palm tip, which is for writing. Insert the tip you need and you can use it straight away without adjusting any settings. You can pull the tip out anytime and change it as you see fit. Now I will show you how to connect the MSI pen to the laptop via Bluetooth. You can draw and write on the screen without pairing, but if you would like to enjoy the full feature of Bluetooth function, you must pair them first. Enter the Bluetooth pairing page. While the laptop is searching for devices, press and hold the Bluetooth button on the MSI pen. The MSI pen will appear on the screen. Simply click on it and now it is paired. You can now control the PowerPoint presentation page by clicking on the Bluetooth button. Pressing it once will take you to the next slide and twice going back to the previous slide. By clicking once or twice on your desktop, you can call up OneNote or Whiteboard app. If you wish to change it, press and hold Bluetooth button and change the settings in the MSI pen control app. In case you've reinstalled the operating system or used the other laptops that doesn't have the MSI pen control app pre-installed, please visit the MSI pen official website. Select support, then choose the model. Select utility, Windows 10 64-bit, click download button to download the file. Unzip the downloaded file, execute setup and follow the instructions to complete the installation. As for Microsoft OneNote and Whiteboard, you can find them in Microsoft Store. Let's check out the drawing function. Have you ever run into the situation where you made a note on a picture for a colleague but it looks unpresentable because you're using a mouse or a touchpad? Swipe from the right edge of the touchscreen, click on Screen Snip to make a custom screenshot. You can draw on the screenshot and adjust the thickness by applying different pressure. You can also select the pencil tool and tilt the pen to sketch just like a real pencil. Use the lower button to erase the drawing. When the drawing is completed, swipe from the left edge of the touchscreen to choose the app with which you would like to share it on. You can hover over the other pencil options to check their function by holding the upper button on the MSI pen. You can select the note you wrote, then click Ink to Text to convert it into pure text. Here's another convenient design from MSI. Pay attention to the status bar. The MSI pen battery notification will automatically show up when you are drawing. The MSI pen contains a rechargeable battery. When it is fully charged, it can last for about 65 hours. When the LED indicator turns red, it means that there is only 5 minutes left. While you are writing or drawing on the laptop screen, an icon will appear and tells you the battery status of the pen. This is an exclusive feature that works only with the MSI Submit Flip series laptops. To charge the MSI pen, simply plug the USB Type-C cable into the charging port. The LED indicator will turn green when it's fully charged. The MSI pen can be attached to the MSI Submit Flip series laptops. The magnet is strong enough to keep it from falling when you're carrying your laptop. Hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.